Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed the topic reproduction in plants. In that topic, we completed the exercise. Here, first bit, second bit, and third bit we finished. Now, today we are going to finish the remaining three bits. First one is match the following. That means fourth bit is now today's first topic. Fourth bit is match the following. In this match the following, A and B bits are there. First one is cotyledon. Cotyledons. So here answer is D, means for the food for the baby plant. D. First one cotyledon, answer is D. Food for the baby plant. Next one embryo. Embryo, answer is B. Embryo, answer is B. Reproduction. Third one, germination. Answer is E. Seed growing into a seedling. Germination, seed growing into a seedling. Tuberous roots. Tuberous roots. Answer is A. Store food materials. Store food materials. Fifth one, propagation. Answer is C, baby plant. Answer is C, baby plant. Now once more I will continue. Once more I will repeat. First one D, second one B, third one E, fourth one A, fifth one C. First one D, second one B, third one E, fourth one A, fifth one C. These are the answers of fourth bit. Now come to the fifth bit. Now come to the fifth bit. First one is C, means here the picture is lotus picture. So lotus picture is what here? Water. So dispersal by water. Lotus fruit is dispersed by water. So that means the seed germinates by the dispersal of water. Next. Here gave the xanthium seed. So xanthium seed, answer is E. Answer is E, by animals. It sticks to the animals' hair and it disperses. Next, cotton fruit. Cotton fruit. Third one, answer is A. Dispersal by wind. Dispersal by wind. Next one, papaya fruit. Papaya fruit. So papaya fruit, answer is B. Dispersal by man. Dispersal by man. Next, peas. Last one is peas. So answer is D. Answer is D. Breaking and open. So here burst and open. It will break and open the seeds and disperse. So these are the methods of scattering of seeds, or otherwise dispersal of seeds by different methods. This is one of the bit. So here first one is C, second one is E, third one is A, fourth one is B, fifth one is D. These are the answers for this fifth bit. Next one, question and answers. Next bit is question and answers. Answer the following questions. First one, what is vegetative propagation? How is it useful? What is vegetative propagation? How is it useful? So now come to the topic. So here the page number is 195 page number. 195 page number. So here from vegetative parts. Here onwards you have to start. Page number 195, last paragraph. Page number 195, last paragraph. Vegetative parts such as roots, stem and leaves produce new plants. Hence this method is called vegetative propagation. The plants produced by this method the same characteristics as the parent plant. Vegetative propagation can be of the following types. So this you have to write. If you can write total paragraph also, no problem. Vegetative propagation. Here onwards to last you can write. After writing this, so you have to write these three types of vegetative propagation. Types of vegetative propagation. Propagation through roots, propagation through stem, propagation through leaves. So these are the answers for the first question. So first you have to write this paragraph. Next you have to write this one. Now answer is finished. First answer is finished. Now come to the second one. Explain reproduction through leaves with an example. Explain reproduction through leaves with an example. Reproduction through leaves, here we have given the topic. The page number is 197. Page number is 197. Here in this page number, you have to write reproduction through leaves. Propagation through leaves, no? So this propagation through leaves topic you have to write. Here to here. Examples also you have to write. Examples also you have to write. Biophyllum begonia. Okay, this paragraph, propagation through leaves. So these three lines you have to write for the vegetative propagation or reproduction through leaves. Reproduction through leaves, answer is this one, only this paragraph. Next question is what are runners? Third question is what are runners? For this you have to read the lesson first, then you can understand clearly. Now come to the 196 page number. 196 page number. Here the stem runs along the ground and has nodes. Roots grow from each node and when they are separated, they grow as a new plant. These are called runners. So here onwards, the stem onwards you have to write. Where onwards? The stem onwards you have to write. Which answer? What are runners? Question, third question answer is second line, last paragraph, 196 page number, last paragraph, second line, middle onwards. The stem runs along the ground and has nodes. Roots grow from each node and when they are separated, they grow as new plant. These are called runners. Example here, grass. This is the runner. You can see in our school ground, runner. Next. Describe the structure of a seed. Fourth question. Describe the structure of a seed. Fourth question. Describe the structure of a seed. Here parts of a seed here topic gave. Here it is gave. The page number is 197. Page number is 197. In this, to observe the parts of a seed, soak some bean seeds or peas in water. Okay, take a seed in your hand and remove the outer covering. It is called the seed coat. If we open the seed along its joint, it opens into two halves called cotyledons. Next, inside there is an embryo or baby plant. The food for the baby plant is stored in the cotyledon. This is the topic of fourth answer. Fourth answer. Parts of the seed. You have to draw the diagram also. This paragraph total. 197, last paragraph answer you have to write for the fourth answer. Next, the diagrams and the seed diagram you have to draw. Next one is, what is meant by dispersal of seeds? Why is it necessary? Why is it necessary? So here dispersal of seeds definition I wrote on the board. Here you have to see. This is the definition of dispersal of seeds. The process of scattering of seeds away from the mother plant is called dispersal of seeds. This is the definition of dispersal of seeds. The process of scattering of seeds from the mother plant is called as dispersal of seeds. This is the definition for the dispersal of seeds. After writing this definition, you have to write the page number 198, page number, first paragraph. 198 page number, first paragraph you have to write. 198 page number, first paragraph you have to write. This only this. No need of writing. Let us learn this through an experiment. No need of this. No need of writing. Let us learn this. Don't write this one. Don't write this one. Don't write this one. Okay. What I am underlining is don't write. Okay. This one don't write. Remaining you write. Okay. Remaining you write. For proper growth of a plant, sufficient nutrients like water, sunlight and space. If there is a shortage of any of these, it will affect the proper growth of the plant. So this you have to write. Now fifth answer is finished. Now fifth answer is finished. Now come to the sixth answer. What is germination? What is germination? What are the conditions necessary for germination? What is germination? What are the conditions for the germination? Here, first one, you have to come to the page number 199 page number. You have to come to 199 page number. In this 199 page number, you have to write germination. Germination paragraph. This paragraph is the answer for the germination topic. This one is the answer, germination. Okay, understood? So this total paragraph you have to write. This paragraph is enough. Enough, this one. Now, our question answers are finished. Now, our question answers are finished. So, students, those who submitted the notes, those who wrote the examination, they submitted no. So, in that somebody didn't write the question and answers of first lesson, second lesson and third lesson also. So, here we finished up to now 4 lessons. We finished up to now 4 lessons. So, you have to complete 4 lessons, question and answers, beats, everything you have to write in your fair notes. Everything. So, then only I will give you assignment marks. If you do not write anything, I will put 0. I will put 0. Everything you have to write. Otherwise, I do not give you marks.